Warning. The thoughts, views, and opinions expressed by me on the channel are for entertainment purposes only. I repeat, it's not serious, it is not real, none of it. No one is exposing, revealing, indicting, or telling you anything about themselves or anybody else. Also, I do not encourage you to try this at home. I'm a trained professional who doesn't have your best interest at heart, or my own. Enjoy the video.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Haikata. Today we're doing another Dashcam's lessons video. It is called Some People Are Just Looking for Trouble. And if you're new here, like and subscribe, comment if you want, dislike if you want, I don't really care. And without further ado, let's get into this shit, because we already know this shit gonna be good.
Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too.
Okay. My brother in Christ, Cameron, you're driving like a dickhead. What'd you expect to happen? F-150 was not having it. Oh, that's what happens. The F-150 told you to slow the fuck down, bro. Act like a dickhead. $10 bet.
I didn't see that. Take a stick out of your ass and get in the fucking truck.
Buddy, my brother in Christ, you're still at fault, Cameron, bro. You on everybody else's ass. So you just want to be an asshole. W driver, okay. So you got the pickup in the rear. Okay, pickup driver is hauling ass. Shoulder action is crazy. So this is a Tesla. Okay. Once you heard that accident shit, bro, you should have moved over. I ain't gonna lie. You left lane camping and this pickup truck ain't gonna have it, bro. I don't agree with brake checking, especially on a freeway, bro. But people gotta realize, bro, for the love of fucking God, stop left lane camping. You ain't the fucking line leader, bro. The left lane, I like to call it either the fast lane or the true, like, the passing lane. Go that shit up and over, and then you back in the right lane, bro, cruising. If you in this far left-hand lane, you got all that space, bro, either pick up the fucking speed or move the fuck over, bro. So all this shit could have been avoided if the Tesla would have moved over, and the Ford F-150 driver about to teach him this shit the hard way, my boy. See? Reversing is crazier work. This car right here needs to swerve in that corner. Whoa. Alright, good shit, bro. I ain't excusing the F-150 driver, but my brother in Christ, you with the Tesla, you're equally just a dickhead. Now the F-150's on your ass. Bro, until we got somebody else to bother you. That's crazy, bro. Yo, now this F-150 want problems. I know that Tesla's just with that little battery, bro. Ooh, okay, she's going 2x. I want to say, bro, where are we going?
I'm afraid he's gonna get over. Daddy, please.
Okay. So W driver. He seen what's going on, he recognized it, bro, and he wasn't gonna get shit hit. Oh, we seen this shit in yesterday's video, bro.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Stop! Ah!
It's a little scary, but my brother in Christ, that scream was not the fact that she screamed, it's the pitch that was hit with. That's crazy. That was it. Okay, left hand going. Ooh, drifting. Hey, come on, keep it. Hold it. Don't tap the wall. Just don't tap the wall. If you aura. With a nice little half-baked J-turn, that's aura right there. You saved the hydroplane with aura, my boy. I like it. Safe travels, my brother in Christ, but damn, that was aura right there, bro. That was aura. Get the tires checked, bro. Them shit's most likely balding. Okay, somebody's about to pass him. No, that's crazy. Whoever passed, bro, that was a dickhead move, bro. The lines on the road are telling you, bro, you can pass around, bro. If that's not passing around, bro, yeah, no, it is, bro. There's nowhere to turn, so yeah, it's definitely passing. Bro, just go. you just making problems. The sports car was riding my bumper. I slowed down a bit. Okay, if he was riding your ass, bro, brake checking in that situation is crazy. Just speed up some, bro. Speed up. Speed up. Oh, you got your miles per hour. Hold on. You be the police. Okay, so everybody's going what? Speed limit is 45. Okay, so you can speed up a tad bit, bro. At least bare minimum hit 40 and still be cruising. If that speed, bro, if that space, you can definitely hit 45. Camry's a little bit sleeping. It's like halfway deserves, but not really type shit, bro. You don't deserve the brake check, bro, and that shit, bro, but you kind of do, bro. In a weird way, bro. You should be up steadily cruising on that 40. Okay, you're at 34, 38, 42, 44, 46, 48. See, bro, now you're speeding. That's what he wanted, bro. So I ain't gonna lie, bro. You made the other homie win, bro. The mental mind game he won. Holy shit, bro. Good fucking awareness from the second pickup driver. Well, the first one, I guess you could say. The second one's a dickhead. Good shit. This situation right here, regardless of if you want to get over, bro, he doesn't have the right of way. He's just sitting in there, but also at the same point, bro, I'll just be on his ass riding in to get in. This Dodge, bro, I already know what this is gonna be, bro. It's a pickup truck. I'm gonna let you in, bro. Big egos, man. Big egos.
An asshole.
See? And that's what happens, bro. Play stupid game, win stupid prizes. I wonder what the short shit's gonna call this. A 50-50? Because you can't say you didn't know the car wasn't right there, bro. You can't say that you didn't know. I won't say that one's a 50-50. You can say the pickup's 100% at fault for being inside the spot he wasn't supposed to be. But I say 50-50 because that driver was also negligent, bro.
Corbin, save video.
Having a van do that to you, bro, is disrespectful. I ain't gonna lie, I'd get my lick back. Okay, so you're about to take that Honda Pilot with you, or Honda Fit, rather. It wasn't even the cam driver. I thought his right wheel well got caught on the bumper. He's gonna snatch it with him. No, homie, you just drove straight into a fucking pole. My brother in Christ. Were you trying to beat homie into the spot? Oh, he was reversing. Probably, most likely, was not looking. Homie right here came down, popped him, and then he went rolling back. Well, you accelerated into that pole. I ain't gonna lie, homie, because ain't no way that little bit of shit, bro, could generate that much force, bro. But holy fuck, bro, you went slamming into the pole. That's crazy work, bro. I'm surprised it wasn't the cam driver. Backing up, bro, was looked a little close because of the camera. But shit, I know he's having a bad day. Oh, okay, we gotta mute this a little bit because it's copyrighting, but we gonna rock out. Okay, here we go. Sounds back on. Nigga got a PS1 fucking like. This is a PS1 car texture that's not fully loaded, bro. If you like Tesla trucks, bro, what are you doing, bro? You got Rams, you got the Helixes, bro. You got the F-150s, bro. You can even get an F-150 Lightning. Them things look 10 times better than this shit, aesthetically wise. If you want full self-driving and not really have a real pickup truck, I guess you want this, bro. I'll take a V6 pickup truck over this shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, didn't yield. What did you expect? Homeboy's driving a dumpster on wheels.
Woo! Down that.
I'm happy the camera knew, but I feel so bad for that red car, bro.
Should have honked at him.
Check your blind spot, check your mirrors, check everywhere when you driving, bro. I'd rather you all be paranoid driving and get hit, bro. Okay, he ran a red light, bro, in front of a cop. Oh, bro. Why do y'all run in front of cops, bro? What did y'all expect was gonna happen? Homie just gonna say, yeah, you know what, bro? It's okay. Everybody makes mistakes. No. They're on your ass like swimwear. Oh. Hey, okay. Crisis averted. Alright, bro, lay off your horn, because now if he starts brake checking, bro, then you gonna be mad, bro. You got the horn off, you got the high beams off, bro. Just cool it a little bit, bro. Yo, wait. Is this Mass? Or am I tweaking? Bro, this looks like... Oh, I'm blinking out on the little town. Like... Oh, I do like fucking... I be dropping off our hardware tools around here, bro. It's like Patch Ashmont. Like, kind of like in Milton. Not really, bro. Oh, I'm blinking out on the spot, bro. Because only why it looks familiar is that they have a fuck-ass road just like this. There's like a hardware store right there. And there's like a really weird roundabout thrown in, like halfway up. It has really weird like traffic shits, bro. Okay, we have like a light plate, some red lettering. This ain't really helpful. No, this is definitely Mass. This is definitely Mass. Wait, hold on. I could have just seen by the inspection sticker how it was built. Hold on. Yep, that's definitely Mass, bro. This is definitely Mass, bro. Holy shit. Oh, I know exactly where that shit is, bro. And I see, bro, like, I've seen that shit happen so many times. Bro, what the fuck, bro? Homie wasn't going nowhere. You took your foot off the brake, bro. You had to have. Foot off the brake, you on your phone. Holy shit, bro. Okay, we have some dickhead inside of your... Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Bro. How the fuck... How the fuck did you manage that, bro? Everyone's going down. He's kind of slowing a little bit, bro. You were not at a safe following distance, bro. I hope everybody got paid and got a brand new car, bro. Everybody had insurance, bro. Fuck this. Oh, driver of the white vehicle caused the accident, uninsured and distracted. Oh, shoot that motherfucker, bro. Take all of his little money on. Take his check from Applebee's. Take his check from McDonald's. Take his tips, all of it, bro. No diddy. Okay. Yo, you're not gonna stop. I know you're not gonna stop this. Or you're not gonna... Oh, my God. It wasn't either of y'all. I'm the asshole. I did not... Oh, my God, bro. What the fuck? I'm surprised it wasn't a YN, bro. It was an old-ass lady above 75. Time for them to take their test, bro. There's no way that is fucking possible, bro. People get into really bad wrecks, including old people, bro. Everybody should be not able to, but should be required to take a fucking another road test, bro, and another permit test, bro. You gotta pass both of them with flying colors in order to be back on the road. When you get into a serious accident, bro, even with DUIs and shit, bro, you should DUIs, DWIs, you should definitely be forced to take 2 tests again, bro. 2 tests again, bro. And your fines and all that other shit, bro. Slap it all on there, bro. Fuck it, bro. We tired of this one bad decision now, bro. You cost people money to get their cars fixed. If they got insurance may not do it. Bro, I know you didn't want to let him through, bro, but low-key, bro, you just made contact knowing that he was right there, bro. You're at fault. I get it was a dickhead move he did, bro. But, bro, you seen him, bro. There's no way you didn't see him. Nigga, my work truck is a lifted Ram, and I can see niggas with slammed Q50s, slammed Zs, slammed Hondas, bro, straight to the ground, bro. I can see you. He definitely seen them, bro. That shit was premeditated. That last clip. Okay. Let me just sped up. Switch lanes. Too close of a switch. I feel like that's more required. That's the honks, bro. More high beams. High beams, that's aggressive, bro. Gets people like attention. Simple. That is a motor cop if I've ever seen one. And run the red left arrow, bro. You did 5, bro. Slap it all on him. And, bro, both ways. Good shit, bro. Oh, yeah, we seen this shit. Good shit on the driver, bro, for not getting fucking smoked. Good shit, bro. Good shit.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today.
Oh, God.
Thanks for watching.
Shout out to Dashcam Lessons. Before we go, let's see if we see anything, bro. People are really in a big hurry. Magical find some. 8, both dummies. That's what I'm saying, bro. But following the road paint keeps your insurance happy as can be. The truck is 100% at fault for trying to skip a lineup by driving in a restricted area. That's exactly how I felt about number 8. Okay, since the turn lane didn't start until the pickup driver is at fault. The pickup is wrong, but so is the SUV driver. That's where I'm saying, like, they're both equally as wrong, bro, which is why I'd call it 50-50 for insurance, because, like, even though he was wrong in that area, you seen him there. You knew he was there. So you could have avoided it, bro, by slowly creeping in. If you didn't see him letting you in, bro, just wait until the next car, bro. I promise you, that extra, like, 7.5 seconds to 10 seconds, bro, is not going to kill you. If you missed the light, bro, you missed the light and your day ain't going to be ruined. Now you got to get your car fixed, insurance rate, premiums, all that shit going up, bro. You done fucked yourself. He did that because he finally finished his texting conversation and wanted to speed around traffic. I don't even think it was that serious, bro. I just think homie was just chilling and now he's just actively driving. Because there's sometimes, bro, I'll just be chilling driving. Like, I'm driving, bro. Like, I'm cruising. And then sometimes I'm like, all right, bro, this cruising is kind of boring, bro. Traffic is not going nowhere, bro. I kind of want to get to the place a little quicker. Then I do the shit, bro. 6:43. She had to get her groceries. She didn't have to get her groceries, bro. She needs a cognitive test, bro. The bitch is 75, bro. She's been here for about, like, a good couple of presidents, bro. Put her ass in a home. Jesus Christ. Self-inflicted victim? Literally. That's how I felt about this, bro. Left lane camping and you're getting bullied and harassed. What the fuck did you expect? It was bound to happen. But anywho, guys, I could sit through his comments all day, bro. We all could, bro. But that's where I'm going to call it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new around here, like I said at the beginning, please dislike it if you want, bro. I don't really care. Comment and subscribe. It's been your boy, Haikata, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.
We'll be right back.